Hello, my name is Mike, and today I want to show you how to have collapsible form sections in WordPress. Long forms can be daunting for users to see all at once. There are various ways to deal with this. Making your form stretch over multiple pages is one, and I'll have a link to that video below. But today we'll collapse various sections of the form so users can fill it out in parts. It's really easy. Let's get started. We'll start with a longer form. Rather than build it from scratch, I'll use a template. How about the doctor's visit template? It has quite a few questions, and making it collapsible might be helpful. Okay, so here it is. You'll notice this form is already divided into sections. We have a personal details section and an appointment section. You can find sections in the advanced fields area here. And then you can drag whatever fields you want inside them. But how do we make them collapsible? It's really easy. Just click a section heading, and then mark the checkbox for collapsible. That's it. I'll do it to both. Hit Update to save, and let's check it out. Awesome, it works. But I don't like that there are no fields visible at the beginning. It might make some people think it's not a form. Let's go back in. I'm going to drag the name field up above the section, so there will be at least one form field non-collapsed at the beginning. Okay, let's update to save and try it again. And there we go. It's clearly a form, and it still has two collapsible fields to make it seem less daunting. And that's how easy it is to make collapsible form sections with Formidable Forms. Subscribe for more WordPress and form building tips, and I'll see you next time.